Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how we can use SUMIF and SUMIFS formula or function in your Google Sheets. So let's start with SUMIF. Let's say this is our data set that we have in our sheet, and we want to first do sum if on sales where the city is London, or where sum of sales where city is New York, or Tokyo or Sydney. So we have only one if condition that we just want to match that sum of sales in London, and so on. So it's very simple. You type equal to sum if, and then the if condition first. So when you are using sum if, you have to remember use if condition first. If condition is if our C2 to C11, our range is equal to B2 London. And what we should do, we should sum which column, we should sum this column. So now we have now, so basically you can see this is our the range we want to see apply if condition. And when if condition is matched, that f2 the London is matched, it should sum the B column. Similarly you can it's similarly, okay, let's control Z, and yes, just put dollar sign in front of C and C. Okay, my mistake, apologies. Dollar sign in front of C and 2, because this will remain fixed. And uh, F on F, but not on 2, because 2 will change. F3, because we will be using F3 New York, F4 and F5. So let's go back here and use dollar sign. The dollar sign is used to so when we drag our formula for other cells, it should remain fixed, it should not change. That's why. So let's do this. So now we have New York, we have total sales of 10, Tokyo 4, Sydney 20. Let's check Tokyo. Tokyo is 2 plus 2, 4. Sydney 10 plus 10, 20. No Sydney anymore. So yeah. Now, now now an example of some ifs. In some ifs, you remember, you have to always give the sum range first. Sum range is our this column. Then you can add as many if conditions as you want. So let's start with some ifs, which range you should sum. This range, uh, to when the if conditions are matched. So in this formula, I will use sum if London, if the city is London and the date is March, or the text is March 2024. So how we're gonna do achieve that? We will first use the first if condition. My first if condition is on this column till this, and the value is London, this column, this. And my second if condition is on this range from in this column. And when, and it should match March 2024. So now when I do this, it will give me zero sales in March in London. Let's see, London March. No, it's not March. Not London, not March. London, not March. London, not March. So we have two if conditions here. On location, I have one condition to match London, and then I have a condition on month column range if it is March 2024. So let's do the same thing again. Fix our uh, ranges because they won't change. This, let's B11, as let's go. Let's see this two. Okay. F2, on F2 because uh, F will remain same, but 2 will change because F3, F4. So I won't put dollar in front of 2. But in this D2, okay. And H1 would change because I want to drag my formula towards right side, and H would change to I need to check the if condition on I1 column. So I would just use, I will put dollar sign in front of 1 because row won't change, but the column would change. So let's drag our formula down, and let's do this. I'm dragging my formula towards right side. And now, so we have example on sum if and sum ifs. So what we have learned on sum if, you give the if condition range first and condition to match, and then the sum range. And in sum ifs it's opposite, you give the sum range first, the range you want to sum on, and then you can have as many if conditions as you want. Then you give C to match this, C2 to C11 match F2, where location is London, and the and D2 to D11 where month is March 2024. So this is how we can use sum if and sum ifs formula or function in Google Sheets. Please try it on your own, and please ask me questions, and I can come up with more examples. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. I can keep bringing new videos to you. Thank you.